What if I told you right now, in 2026, there are 7 stocks so fundamentally solid, even experienced investors hold them in their portfolio. You have probably heard names like Apple, Amazon thrown around. But do you actually know why they matter? Or whatever, they are still worth your money today? I'm Frank. On this channel, we make investing simple, strategic, and profitable, even if you are starting from zero. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 7 stocks every beginner should know about in 2026. Not because they are trading on TikTok, but because they are built to last. Stay with me because stock number 4 is one of the most beginners completely overlooked, and it could be the smartest move you will make this year. Before we dive in, let me be clear about something. This is not financial advice, and I'm not telling you to go and buy these stocks tomorrow. What I'm giving you is financial education, the kind that took me years to understand on my own. My goal is simple: to save you time, mistakes, and confusion. These 7 stocks are based on a combination of market capitalization and long-term stability, revenue growth, and earning track record, relevance to mega trend that shaping our world in 2026, and accessibility for beginners investors. All right, let's get into it. Stock number 1, Apple. Apple isn't just a phone company anymore. It's a service empire. Apps Store, iCloud, Apple Pay, Apple TV. In 2026, over 2 billion devices, meaning recurring revenue that barely flinch in a recession. For beginners, Apple is the definition of sleep well at night stocks. It's not going to 10x overnight, but it's a financial fortress. Stock number 2, Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft is quietly one of the best run company on the planet. The cloud platform is growing like wildfire, and the early bet on AI and also the partnership with OpenAI has given them a serious edge. Think about it. Every company in the world needs cloud service and AI tools. Microsoft sell both of them. Stock number 3, Nvidia Corporation. If AI is the gold rush of our decade, Nvidia makes the shovels. The GPUs power everything from ChatGPT to autonomous vehicle that medical research. Yes, the stock has already made some incredible moves. Nvidia isn't just a tech stock. It's an infrastructure bet on the future of computing itself. Stock number 4, Berkshire Hathaway. Here's the most beginner overlook, and it might be the most powerful. Berkshire Hathaway is essentially a diversified fund run by the greatest investors of all time. When you buy Berkshire Hathaway, you get exposure to insurance, energy, railroads, consumer brands, and massive cash generated machine. It's boring, it's brilliant, and it's constantly beat the market. Over the long run, beginners take notes. Stock number 5, Amazon. Amazon is not an online shop. Amazon is a cloud giant. AWS generates the majority of their profit. Add in Prime, advertising, logistics, and now AI services, and you have got a business with tentacles in nearly every growth sector. For beginners, Amazon gives you broad exposure to e-commerce, cloud computing, and AI all in one ticker. Stock number 6, Visa. Every time someone swipe a card, tap their phones, or send money internationally, Visa take tiny cut. Billions of transactions every single day. Visa doesn't lend money, so it doesn't take credit risk. They just process payment and collect fees. In a world that going increasingly cashless, Visa is the tools for both on the global financial highway. Simple, scalable, and stupidly profitable. Stock number 7, S&P 500 Index ETF. Okay, technically, this is not a single stock. It's even better. S&P 500 give you ownership in the 500 largest US companies in a single purchase. You get companies like Apple, Microsoft, Visa, everything we just talk about, plus 493 more companies. It's the ultimate beginner's tools. Instant diversification, low fees, and the track records of delivering around 10% average annual return over decades. If you can only do one thing in 2026, make it this. So there you have it. 7 stocks every beginner should know in 2026. From the tech titan to the silence payment giant to the one ETF that does it all. Here's what I want you to do right now. Like this video if you found it useful. It helps more beginners to find this content. Subscribe to Franck Invest. Every week I break down investing strategy in plain English. Comment below which of those 7 stocks are you most interested. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time to start investing is today. I'm Franck. Don't invest blind, invest smart. See you in the next one.